Hey everybody, Scott Smith, Southern California. Check this M5 out. Yeah, I was sitting down with our ordering guy a couple months ago and I thought, hey, let's order up a new 2015 M5 with some of their cool accessories. So this is a new 2015 M5 M twin power V8 engine, 552 horsepower, 502 foot-pounds of torque. But check out the back end on this thing. This has got the new M Performance exhaust. I gotta back up. That thing's gonna bite me. Is that awesome, guys? $8,900 worth of port installed BMW exhaust M Performance. Also, we ordered this with the carbon fiber exhaust tips, and I think they're about $1,500. We'll go to the sticker in a second, but check out that exhaust tip. That thing cool. And what's nice too is they got a great design inside the tips. And we got a couple other accessories I want to show you we ordered on this car from BMW. Let's move around to the front. We always like to look underneath the hood. Johnson's back from saving the world. Give us a little exhaust note there. And let's pop that hood open. There we go, guys. One beautiful power plant. Thanks, Johnson. Got your LED adaptive headlights. 552 horsepower, 502 in torque. One of the most amazing engines on the planet. I know everybody's got an opinion. Now you've got, I'll get that hood in just a second. It does have a dual hinge system. This one does have the, let's see, what did we order? The performance package on this one. Let's head over the sticker just so I can show you some of the stuff here. See if I can get out of the sunlight. There we go, guys. There's your base price. And it looks like we've got it angled right at the sun. So, show you some of the stuff here. This one's pretty much a loaded vehicle for the United States. You can see the different package, a performance package. We've got also driver's assistance, executive package, which is probably the most major package on this car. Let me see here. Get down out of the shadows here. But some of the stuff I really wanted to show you is at the bottom of the screen. Check this out. Stuff we've added to this car. My goodness, I am just at a bad angle. Sorry, guys. Let's see here if we can get down to the bottom. But you can see this car, let's see, 134 and change US dollars. But some of the things I wanted to show you that we had ordered, port installed. We got the full carbon fiber trim, got the $8,000 exhaust, $8,900 installed at the port. We've also got the M Performance steering wheel, the shifter, and then also those carbon fiber exhaust tips. This one's got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. And then we got the three major packages. Gas mileage, who cares on an M5? Just too much fun to drive. Final assembly, parts, etc. But let's get inside real quick. I want to show you some of the other accessories we put on this car. Right there, there's your, let's get this thing to focus again. Okay, there we go. Sorry for the hiccup. Let's get in here and look at the steering wheel. Scoop my seat back. But you can see in the sunlight here, they really did an awesome job on the carbon fiber on the M Performance steering wheel. Nice paddle shifters. Got the center point, Alcantara design, really soft, suede feel. Big gauges, easy to read. Also, we did the carbon fiber shifter. And you got the full carbon fiber trim inside. Also, this car is, it's rated at 4.20 to 60 through BMW. Competition package is supposed to take off a 10th. So you're looking around 4.1 through BMW numbers. Also, a competition package adds about 15 horsepower. A couple of the other options they have with the competition package is now you have a new mechanical steering and more direct input feel. Just reading some of my notes here. New suspension, dampening application for it, faster 0 to 60, more horsepower, and then you've got these awesome 20-inch wheels with the high performance tires. I got to scoot back just to put the whole wheel in the frame. Also, one thing that's nice with that interior carbon fiber trim package is they do put a nice little M performance indicator on there. Nice leather dash. Got the suede Alcantara headliner. Just really nice touch and feel everywhere. It's got the ventilated seats. So I was pretty excited for this car to come in, since I kind of did a custom order with some of the amazing port installed M performance options on the car. Just waiting for this thing to get here so I could shoot a video for some of you enthusiasts. Also, as you can tell, it was ordered with the black kidney grills. But even just sitting here, you can hear this thing breathing. What a monster. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey, if you like the video, please share with your other media sources. Let's get another shot of the back end, especially with that exhaust system, and the exhaust pipes are just awesome. What a touch. Not to say the stock factory ones don't look great, but these things just look mean from the back of the car. Hey, thanks for enjoying the video, guys. Have a good one.